Hello, little coders. Today, we are going to make a super fun and interactive word puzzle animation in Scratch. Let's jump right in and learn how to code this step by step. First things first, open up a new project in Scratch. Go to the backdrop library and select the Arctic background to give our project a cool, snowy vibe. Next, we need our letter sprites. Go to the sprite library, choose individual letter sprites for S, T, O, R, and Y, and place them anywhere you like on the screen. Now let's start coding. For every single letter sprite, we will start with the events category and drag out the when green flag clicked block. To make our puzzle look jumbled at the very beginning, drag each letter sprite into different corners of the play area and one in the upper middle. Notice how Scratch automatically updates the coordinates inside the Go to X, Y block? Snap that right under your green flag block. Then, head over to the control category, grab the wait block, and set it between 1.1 and 1.5 seconds for our S, T, O, R, and Y sprites to create a staggered start. Next, arrange all the letter sprites neatly in a straight line right in the middle of the play area so they spell out story. Once they are in their final destination, grab the glide to X, Y block from the motion category and attach it to each sprite script. This tells Scratch to slide our letters smoothly from their jumbled starting points into the center. To make it look even cooler, let's add a balloon sprite. Duplicate that balloon 4 more times so you have 5 balloons total. Place one balloon underneath each of the jumbled starting positions of our letters. Finally, let's add some celebratory vibes. Go to the Sound tab, search for the Dance Celebration music track, and head back to the code block. Select one of the balloon sprites, add a when green flag clicked block, snap a forever loop underneath it, and place a play sound block inside. Test your code by clicking the green flag and watch the jumbled letters glide into place as the music plays. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own Scratch projects in our community space. Happy coding, everyone!